Empower your wellness journey with cancer prevention. Workshops for personal transformation. Discover how cancer prevention workshops promote practical lifestyle changes for wellness, self-care, and a healthier lifestyle to reduce risk and transform your life. Cancer prevention workshops. Practical steps for a healthier tomorrow. Hey, have you heard about those cancer prevention workshops popping up in communities lately? I recently attended one and thought it would be great to share what I learned with you, especially since so many of us want to lead a healthy lifestyle and take charge of our well-being. These workshops aren't just about passing around pamphlets or giving you a scary checklist. Instead, they're focused on empowering us with practical tips and lifestyle changes that can significantly reduce our risk of cancer. Plus, they tie into a bigger picture of wellness and personal transformation, which makes the whole experience feel really encouraging rather than overwhelming. Why attend a cancer prevention workshop? At a first glance, you might think cancer prevention is mostly about avoiding toxins or regular screenings. And while those are totally important, these workshops go much further. They help you understand how your day-to-day choices connect to your overall health. Holistic health approach. Instead of just zooming in on one factor, the workshops cover nutrition, physical activity, stress management, and even mindfulness. Self-care and self-help. You learn how self-care routines tie directly to reducing cancer risk, like how managing stress and getting quality sleep can affect your body's repair mechanisms. Community support. They encourage sharing experiences, which boosts success because you're not trying to change habits alone. Some practical tips they shared. One of the coolest parts about these workshops is how actionable the advice is. It's not about making huge life changes overnight, but rather about small, consistent steps that accumulate to a big impact. Eat a plant-rich diet. Focusing on fruits, veggies, whole grains, and nuts can help your body fight off inflammation and toxins. Stay active. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. It can be as simple as walking or yoga, anything to keep the body moving. Limit alcohol and avoid tobacco. These are well-known risk factors, but the workshop gave helpful alternatives for social settings and ways to quit. Practice mindfulness. Managing stress. With mindfulness techniques supports mental health, which plays a surprisingly important role in physical health. Regular health checkups. Early detection is key, and these workshops remind you why staying in tune with your body and doctor makes a difference. Why this matters for personal transformation. Taking control of your health in this way is more than just preventing cancer. It fosters a lifestyle where self-care and mental health are front and center, which naturally leads to success in other areas of life. When you feel better physically and mentally, everything else, from your career to relationships, tends to improve. This is the heart of personal transformation, where wellness becomes a foundation for all-around growth. And here's something important. Making these changes doesn't have to feel daunting. That's the beauty of the workshop format. It breaks it down into manageable steps, encourages you to notice progress, and helps build a support network so you feel energized rather than alone. Where to learn more? If this sounds like something you want to try, there are plenty of resources out there to keep the momentum going. One fantastic place to explore is the collection of books and guides on health and wellness. They cover a range of topics like mindfulness, self-care routines, and holistic health practices that perfectly complement what you'd get from a workshop. Explore the books now. Whether you want to deepen your understanding or just pick up a few easy tips to add into your day, these resources are a great way to keep moving toward your best self. Final thoughts. Honestly, cancer prevention workshops are a really approachable place to start making meaningful health changes. By focusing on wellness in a broad sense, including mindset, habits, and community, they offer tools for long-term success, both physically and mentally. So if you're thinking about fresh ways to invest in your personal transformation, or you want to boost your self-help routines in a way that feels doable, I highly recommend checking them out. It's all about building a healthier lifestyle that not only reduces risk, but also enhances the quality of your life every day. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and remember, Small changes can lead to big results over time.